Network. Today we will be solving a sum that is find the square root of 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 4 root 2 plus 5 up to 4 decimal places if root 7 equals to 2.6457 and root 14 equals to 3.7417. This is a very interesting sum, so stay tuned. So first I'll say that the expression whose value we have to find is whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 4 root 2 plus 5. So let's say that that expression equals to a. So we can write a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 4 root 2 plus 5. Now to simplify this, I'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 4 root 2 minus 5. So it will be a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 multiplied by 4 root 2 minus 5 in the numerator and 4 root 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4 root 2 minus 5 in the denominator. Now we will simplify this up, so it will be a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square, because the 4 root 2 minus 5 is getting multiplied by itself only, and in the denominator we will use the identity that for any variable x plus y multiplied by x minus y, it equals to x square minus y square. So here we can say that in this identity it will be 4 root 2 will be x and 5 will be our y. So it will be 4 root 2 whole square minus 5 square. And now guys, in our following step, we will keep 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square as it is and not simplify it, because we have to find the value of whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 4 root 2 plus 5. And we will simplify the denominator. So it will be a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square upon 4 square multiplied by root 2 whole square minus 5 square. And guys, we got this 4 root 2 whole square simplified using an exponential law that for any variable x multiplied by y whole square, it equals to x square multiplied by y square. And now we will get a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square upon 16 multiplied by 2 minus 25. When we simplify it further, we will get a equal to whole root 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square upon 32 minus 25. And thus guys, we will get a equal to whole root of 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square upon 7. Now we will use an exponential law that for any variable whole root x upon y, it equals to root x upon root y. Means we distribute the root. So it will be a equal to root of 4 root 2 minus 5 whole square in the numerator and root of 7 in the denominator. Here the square and the root will get cancelled, but we see that in the denominator we have root 7, which is an irrational number, and we cannot have an irrational number in the denominator. So now to rationalize the denominator, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator both with root 7. So now it will be a equal to root 7 multiplied by 4 root 2 minus 5 in the numerator and root 7 multiplied by root 7 in the denominator. Now guys, it will be a equal to root 7 multiplied by 4 root 2 minus root 7 multiplied by 5 upon 7. And now guys, for simplifying further, we will use an exponential law that for any variable root x multiplied by root y, it equals to root x multiplied by y. Means the root gets in common. And here we had 4 root 2 multiplied by root 7. Now we cannot multiply root numbers with integers. So 4 will remain as it is and we will get a equal to 4 multiplied by whole root of 2 multiplied by 7 minus 5 root 7 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. When we simplify it, we will get a equal to 4 root 14 minus 5 root 7 upon 7. Now guys, we will replace root 14 and root 7 with the respective values. So now we will have a equal to 4 multiplied by 3.7417 minus 5 multiplied by 2.6457 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. And when we do the multiplication, we will get a equal to 14.9668 minus 13.2285 upon 7. And now we can simplify it further and have a equal to 1.7383 upon 7. And now guys, we will be doing the division. So it will be 1.7383 divided by 7. Now as 1.7383 is smaller than 7, we will write 0 and subtract 0. So it will be 1 and we will take down 7 and put decimal point after 0. Now we can multiply 7 with 2 and get 14, which is smaller than 17. When we subtract 14 from 17, we will get 3 left. Now we carry down 3 and we will have 33. We can multiply 7 with 4 to get 28, which is less than 33. When we do the subtraction, we will be left with 5. Now we carry down 8 and we multiply 7 with 8 to get 56. When we subtract 56 from 58, we will be left with 2. Now we carry down 3. We multiply 7 with 3 to get 21 and a remainder of 2. And guys, we have been asked to find the answer up to 4 decimal places only. So our answer for this question will be a equal to 0.2483. Guys, if we continue dividing this, we will not get an end and the numbers will keep on increasing. So we have been asked to get the answer till 4 decimal places. If we had been asked to get the answer till 3 decimal places, our answer would have been 0.248. And if we had been asked to get the answer till 2 decimal places, it would have been 0.25. Because when we round up the number 0.248, we will get 0.250. So our answer for this question was 0.2483. And guys, if you learned something new from the video, do like the video, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.